to the oil not hot yet. Janet, stop it ramping around this, man. Stop it nice.
Yes, mommy.
Jesus, keep me near the cross. There a blessed fountain, free to all a healing stream. In the cross. You know, some don't like Sister Margaret. Every day Sister Margaret call me. She want to gossip and talk about people business. I mean, I really talk about people business, you know, because I'm a good Christian woman and I'm not in the gossip. And if Margaret call me right now, I'm not answer my phone because I'm not in the gossiping today. Good Sunday. Yes, Margaret. Yes, Miguel, wagwan. Then look, you tell me something now. Mrs. from morning, me I say, how you not call me? I'm there, they wait for you to tell me what happened with Everton and his wife, Miss Myrtle. Then me know you say she gone to jail because she tried to lick him down.
Mommy.
What? Stop it nice, man. Lord of his mercy, me say from there. Me I try to find out how comes Everton and Myrtle ever they have problem.
Mommy.
What is your problem? And then Pastor Richards did try to talk to them, you know, because here said them about counseling. And the counseling never worked, not one iota. Lord Jesus, no son of David. Say me say so, you know, you never hear it from me, but me hear say them have problems in their marriage because Everton take out the money out of Miss Myrtle bank account and use it go give somebody else out the road. Yeah, man? Janet, why you turn on the pipe and what you doing with water? Put down the bottle, man.
Yes, mommy.
The big daughter where they are foreign, Dorothy. Me hear say Dorothy they are foreign and Dorothy a make money and Dorothy no send down no money for them. Not even Barrel she no send Christmas last year, you know.
Mommy, the plant.
Hush up your mouth. Children must be seen and not heard. What they do, what kind of hobby they work, what they always have problems so. I mean, really in a people business like that, you know, cause you know me as a person, me no gossip. Me say you never see smoke without fire. Janet, move from the stove, the man. Me say if you make the stove burn, you take it pan and lick you in your head today. Mrs. I do business. I do cockroach no business in a foul fight, me love. Lord Jesus, he planting a burn up. What? Janet! Janet! Janet!
Yes, mommy.
You couldn't tell me say the planting a burn up. I work so hard and you can't even raise an alarm and speak up and let me know say the planting a burn up. Why you never tell me say the planting a burn up?
Because, mommy, you said that children must be seen and not heard.